देखिए, एफपीआईज और एफआईआईज तो उनका अपना डिसीजन होता है कब वो जाते हैं, कहाँ कैसे आते हैं, कितने रिटर्न में जाते हैं। एज ए रेगुलेटर हमारा एक कंसिस्टेंट, प्रेडिक्टेबल, इजी, फ्रिक्शनलेस फ्रेमवर्क देने का हमारा दायित्व है, जिससे कि कैपिटल मूवमेंट्स इजी हों, कंसिस्टेंट हों, प्रेडिक्टेबल हों। तो उस रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क में हम लगातार सुधार कर रहे हैं। रजिस्ट्रेशन की सीमा जो है, रजिस्ट्रेशन टाइमिंग्स आर गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड. We are talking to them how they can do digital signature and can submit their documents digitally so that they reduce the time. We have also put out a consultation paper on netting. We have been able to simplify the block deal framework, and we have also issued circular for all the closing auction mechanism, which is very, very important for the funds and ETFs for rebalancing and other reducing tracking errors. So development of the market is, we have also issued the common contract notes. All of these issues are very important for the FPIs in terms of market, regulation.
So how do you...
Rest is their own assessment of their returns, post-tax return, which are available in different markets. Then they keep assessing and they keep deciding about that. But fundamentally, when you have a overhang of a regulatory action which is removed and trade frictions removed, so any capital formation is always accelerated with the removal of, number one, uncertainties, number two, the investment decisions will be spurred, and there will be a greater predictability on the capital to go for that, and it will also have salutary movements on the exchange rate, which also bring in stability and predictability. So in the overall situation, I would say that with the deals that have been done on the trade side, a lot of uncertainties have been removed. I have said before that when we as a regulator, we are looking at derivative markets in a very methodical manner and based on data and others. And at this moment, we are not contemplating any measures. And whatever framework that we have put in place, that will continue.
और सर, जो एक चर्चा चल रही थी कि वीकली एक्सपायरी बंद होगी, तो क्या बहुत से लोग ये भी एंटिसिपेट करें कि बढ़ गया है, तो शायद ये एक टाइटनिंग है, वीकली एक्सपायरी बंद होना टाइटनिंग नहीं होगा, ये कुछ लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, मैंने जैसे बोला आपको, हमारा स्टेटस को है जैसे भी चल रहा है, जो हमारा रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क है, अभी तक उसमें कोई बदलाव का कोई हमारा मंशा नहीं है।